assets were the successor to take over its Indian operations. The Gujarat-based company, which is a household detergent brand, will take over Lafarge's 3 cement plants and 2 grinding stations after all regulatory approvals have been secured. That is, Nisha Poddar joins in now with the contours of the deal. Nisha, how much will Nirma shell out, and how did Nirma stand to gain versus all the other players that were in the race?
So, Kritika, definitely it's a large transaction. $1.4 billion is what Nirma is going to shell out for 11 million tons of Lafarge cement assets in the country. And it is higher than anybody else who had offered any amount at any point of time for this particular transaction, even in non-binding bids, where the amount really is on the higher side, and after due diligence, then things sober down. Even at that point, nobody would have thought that 9,400 odd crore rupees can be paid for these assets. But of course, Nirma has paid a price in terms of really cementing its position in the cement industry, because really it was a fairly less known entity in the overall scheme of things, but now has turned out to be a large player with this acquisition. Of course, the 2 other aggressive bidders, JSW Group as well as Piramal Group, also could not match the kind of aggressive bids that were given by Nirma. So 11 million tons with Nirma at this point, and we know that at least 1,000 crore rupees more than Piramal and the JSW Group was what Nirma has paid for this particular transaction. Remember, CNBC TV 18 was the first to report that Nirma has entered the fray and is looking most aggressive in this deal.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining in, Nisha, with those details. Remember, you heard it first on CNBC TV 18.